Welcome to Simply Nabs. Today I'm sharing tofu scramble burrito recipe. Let's get cooking. To make the tofu scramble, you will need oil, onion, your spices, salsa, diced avocado, and your tofu. For burrito, you will need lettuce, avocado, tortilla wrap, and red peppers. Heat oil in a medium pan and add your diced onions. We are going to cook the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're translucent. We don't want any color to the onions, we just want them to be soft. Once your onions are soft, you are going to add your diced tofu and we are going to cook it for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Keep stirring it. Now we are going to add our salsa. Give it a good mix and cook for 2 to 3 more minutes. Now for spices, I'm going to add salt, black pepper, and paprika. This can be according to your taste. If you want your burrito to be a little spicy, you can add more paprika to it. At the end, we are going to add our diced avocados. To make your burrito, add your scramble to your tortilla wrap. I am going to add lettuce, red peppers, and avocado for my filling. You can add any filling that you want. I am going to top it off with some hot sauce. To make a perfect burrito, make sure to tuck the sides in and then roll the burrito really tight. You can eat it like this or you can toast it in the pan. Make sure to toast all the sides. This just adds a beautiful golden color to the burrito and a bit of crunch. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button.